Hello everyone. So if you want to activate your Google Assistant and enjoy your AI work on full, follow the simple steps. So first of all, let's open up our settings. After that, we gotta scroll down to our Google tab. It's within all of the Android phones. Now tap on all services and scroll down to your search assistant and voice tab. So let's choose it. After that, choose your Google Assistant. Great, there we are. And now you are simply to press voice match. Here we are. Now locate the toggle near the Hey Google. Simply tap on it. Now we're gonna grant all of the necessary permissions for it to work properly. So press I agree. After that, press more, press I agree once again. And basically our Hey Google is ready. Let's press next and we can finish it up with it. On this exact page, you have an option to retrain your voice match model. And basically you start Google Assistant with saying, Hey Google, and say your request. For example, Hey Google, what's the weather today? So there we are, we just received an answer, and that's how it works. So the second option of activating the Google Assistant is through your power button. So in order to do that, you are to open up your settings, then you are to find your additional settings, then locate your gesture shortcuts, and locate your Launch Digital Assistant option. Make sure that this option is turned on. Usually it's turned on the most devices. Right now all the Androids do that. However, if for some reason it's turned off on your, make sure to turn it on. So now you're simply to press your power button, and basically that's it. You can use your Google Assistant as you usually do. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.